Hi guys, welcome to my channel Ports and Shipping News from Visakhapatnam. Welcome to the Ports and Shipping News from Visakhapatnam. The Drewry Container Port Throughput Indices are a series of volume growth decline indices based on monthly throughput data for sample over 235 ports world over, representing over 75 volume. Index is January to 100. In March 2021, the global container port through index class the highest ever level of 140.8, showing a gain of close to 16% over February 2021 and more than 12% higher than the 125.4 points recorded in March 2020. When making comparison to 2020 performance, it is important to reminder that the COVID-19 impact on port activity levels started in February 2020 in China but quickly spread to other markets, first as initial supply side stock causes by China's lockdown saw import volume plummet but quickly followed reduction in demand as major consumption economies imposed various degrees of lockdown. The Chinese index reached 147 points in March 2021, representing 18% monthly and 12% annual growth. The top 5 Chinese ports handle close to 55% of Chinese total throughput, reported 15.2% average annual growth on back of a strong recovery in foreign trade volume. The index of Asia ex-China reached its highest ever level of 137 points in March 2021, registering 11.3% monthly and 4.4% annual growth as economic recovery from COVID-19 gains pace. Supply chain disruptions continues to impact the region, with major hubs including Singapore, Tianjin, Philippines, and Bhutan all reporting highest ever monthly throughput in March as they steadily work through costs. The Middle East and South Asian region index reported close to 7% monthly and 14% annual growth in March 2021. The index has crossed the 140 points mark, with South Asia largely driving the growth. The two largest Indian ports, Jawaharlal Nehru Port and Mundra, registering close to 30% and 60% year-on-year growth respectively as a result of handling higher export and transshipment cargo. North America is the standout performance in March 2021, reporting 42% annual and 20% monthly growth, which enables the index to reach an all-time high of 167 points. Chinese New Year provides none of its usual receipts, and conjunction means an ongoing issues at both Los Angeles 113% to March 2020 and Long Beach 62% increase, with terminals, rail operators and truckers are all struggling to increase capacity to handle these record volumes. The European Port Throughput Index in March 2021 also improved by 5.7% monthly and 4.8% annually, albeit it should be noted that COVID-19 disruptions in European market was only evident from mid-March. The economic recovery has also been more muted, with the third wave breakout resulting in lockdowns and other restrictions in first quarter 2021, which has put a brake on economic growth. The Latin America index rose to 128.8 points after witnessing a 7.3% monthly and 15.6% annual growth in March 2021. Santos, the largest gateway port in the region, reported record annual growth in Q1 2021, and Panama transshipment hub have also seen this volume rise. Oceania Index also recovery to 141.1 point in March 2021 with a 9.3% monthly and 22.7% annual growth. Africa was the only region showing the negative growth on monthly basis. However, the decline was of all half a percent with the index at 106.3 in March 2021. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.